Okay, now that that's done, I can consider putting up my backsplash. I think it's going to look nice when I get it done. It might just work out. Okay, I'm cutting a tile for that backsplash. And first thing I did was made a little cutting board, just a 1x1, glued onto 1/2 inch plywood. Okay, just some scrap. I don't know how well you can see that. Let's see. Back it out. That's a 1x1, just screwed down, just so I got a nice place to work from. Now when I work from anything, I just square right up to it. My tile sits right up there, and I got enough room for a square. Okay, so first thing I did was take this in, found my height for my GFCI outlet, found and marked from away from the wall the distance, and lay it down here, and as long as I'm within 1/16 of an inch, we're good. We'll go ahead and mark it. Okay, and then I'm going to cut. I think what I'll do is I'll move it down a little bit. I should be able to move the outlet down just a little bit, and we'll have to cut this. This is aluminum. There's aluminum on this with plastic and then adhesive. So I gotta make a nice square cut, nice and easy, without going past my line. If I go past my line, it's going to be there forever. So I cannot do that. So I could put a little piece of tape across here, but I think I'm pretty good with it. I'm just going to go ahead and follow this down. Make sure I stop at the right one, right here. That's what I want right there. Do the same thing over here. And then I should be able to break this off then. I'm going to try to cut the pieces out individually. I'm going to have to take them out individually. So, looks like fun. Let me get a nice score on here. Alright, now I'll work them out, and that'll be that. Okay, you can see how this popped out. Do the same thing here. Put my finger on there for backing. I'm going to break it, pull it out. Not too bad. Not too bad. Nice clean cut. I'll just keep doing that until I am done. I'm cutting in between here to make it easier. With the razor knife, open it up. It's hard to show you this and do it at the same time. Anyway, I just take a little slice in there, and that makes this individual pieces then. Okay. There you go. Now they'll pop out. See them popping out. Putting that right on the edge here. They pop right out. And all I did was score it a little bit with a razor knife. I'm not worried about that because I get a cover over it. It's going to be just fine. Pretty easy. There's the first piece. I'll fill in those corners later. Okay, I'm moving along. You can see how this works now. I don't know if it's in focus or I need my glasses on. But anyway, you see how the outlet has to come over top of this material. That's just the way it's got to work. And then this will go on and cover any discrepancies, which there are very little. But I think I might try painting this chrome. I have some chrome paint. I'm going to try it. I don't think I'll paint that, but I'll paint this. I think it'll look a little better. But it's coming together. Piece number 2. Now I got to go around that framework for the window. So I'll cut that next. Get that in. Okay, number 3. Doesn't look too bad. Like I planned it, huh? Yeah, it looks alright. You get that cover on there, like I said, you see nothing. And I think it will look a little better silver. So I'm going to paint it silver. Well, another project finished. I think they look better for silver. It stood out too much. And they were white. It looks so much better. But yeah, doesn't look too bad. That'll do.